How to log in into Epic Games with username. So if you want to log into your Epic Games with username, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you have a stable internet connection, you need to go with your search and then search for Epic Games. Just hit the enter and you need to go with store.epicgames.com. Once you're on your Epic Games, you need to just simply go with sign in, which will be in the top right. And from here, just wait for a few seconds and you'll get this kind of interface. It will ask you to enter your email address, right? But you won't be able to log in to your Epic Games with username. So you need to scroll down and you will have other ways to sign in, like Google, Steam, sign in with Apple or Facebook or Lego account or Autodesk. So you can try entering your username and then go with continue. And if it works, it's good. But if it doesn't, then you can go with all of these options here or just simply go with trouble signing in, which will be on the bottom. Now here, you need to enter your email address and it will send you the security code. But if you don't remember your email address and if you want to use your username, then you just need to simply go back. And here on the website of Epic Games, you need to go with support, which will be in the top left. And you need to describe your problem, which is you need to enter login Epic Games with username. Just wait for a few seconds and you will receive a reply. It says that to log into your Epic Games account, you need to use your email address associated with the account rather than a username. I'll just simply send another text, which is I don't remember my email. Now click on yes. And in this way, you can just simply chat with the Epic Games support assistant and it will give you solutions on how you can recover your page. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.